If you share, Sena, you are running Ghana. No, if I can, my 5-year-old can run Ghana. Oh no, I'm telling you, because what we have done is to
are you being sarcastic?
Bulldog have shared an opinion on Ken Ofori Atta declared wanted and fugitive. There was our fire NPP. Just a NPP will be hard in fact. What fire will Munina? I high Penyah broke me the message. Say any day more like keep video no that my over subscribe button so never click penetration corner. Now back to the our comment section at the amount. It's about a week ago. Anna office of the special prosecutor Kisi Ejaben ebe declare ex-finance minister Ken Ofori Atta be declared wanted and fugitive.
Ladies and gentlemen of the media, the OSP declares Kenneth Ofori Atta a wanted person. He is a fugitive from justice. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure his return to the jurisdiction and attendance at the OSP. And this is to Mr. Ofori Atta. You have two choices. You can either return to the jurisdiction voluntarily or the OSP will enforce your return.
Me alio nanso foliata samukwadie me can be Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Supreme Leader. I'm a flow me bombrane Johnny Walker. Papa, me ka men's gold for men's gold. Yani yesika ka men's gold no. Me ka hubi. Any saying enam ofoliata yinsano. Any nanato dankwa Akufo Addo Nsano. Any NPP abai ensano. Ena yesika jina ka men's gold. Ofoliata me ka kire yese. Nam1 a fraud. Company dey a fraud. Eti ayese yegu adwuma no. Ofoliata ye ya ma yegu men's gold. Na di bibi men's gold the same thing na Ofoliata wo bi. Sad ye Ghana for 2 years din say faketwa beji kese no. Na Ofoliata was abangi ni bi. And so Ofoliata be ka kire yes say men's gold customer say ye greedies. O see ye greedies. Ofoliata yo papa ya debi ado kura bag sadie. Oko preach no papa ya debi ado say white said ya sura bafo no. Ofoliata na na dunia yi. And na mne nsaso na men's gold gu ye. Ofoliata eti papa sana wusu ye greediness. Hey! Kase hey! Saudi we are greedy thousand. Hey! Eti Ofoliata ebini nebi se utrumu. Ene tuba katsira yan say ye greedy. Ama Ghana fo nyina achi woma no poti se hippopotamus. Edididi yatam. Hey! O kope mo se obi okra wo se han. Opa dia forward brad there. Eti na usika aka men's gold. Ni yesre ya ni ekuru yan. Egu ye ho fi ewo Ghana ha na me ka ho bi. Eti sana won so woti wo bo man na po. Uria o man no. Ena ye di ye twetre me ma to kokonte. Edi misika akoto men's gold. Mi mocha ni nyina na se men's gold no. Wosi be greedy. Yera John Dramani Mahama, Supreme Leader, Your Excellency, Johnny Walker, me pacho, baby a papayi, wako sebia, Mesra Mushana Monchenemra, Mushishano, Papa, John Dramani Mahama, me yale, one second chance way, Papa Faji Woody, Johnny Walker was second chance, Papa Faji Woody. Na wuna omunya wa ekomo betete o se edua sapo no eja ni se KMPs no eku parliament wo siri no ekatwa mecha abo no ene ne ye omodo obefam no ene kwaya omodo obefaso no papa na wutini munya den na aburo bi omadi wo man no papa mo mu chia soka. And Penyah can say, I buy a deportation, yet the bad baby. Hey, papa yi ɛna wo na abɛyi bi bowi wajane sɛ kola wajane sɛ Usain Bolt obɛba deɛ wɔmene akɔɔyɛ mu obɛfi aba deɛ wadi akɔɔyɛ mu obɛni aba deɛ wadi akɔ bɛtwo so aba wajane baabi bi a wɔ bia nyame wɔ nkonkro bɛtwe aba wo so yale na mo an bɛka so wɔ yale mo se yɛ nkɔtwe ne nkɔ court eti wo nso wobɛkɔ court na wodi sika ne nyinaa aba na wowia wobɛdam so wama anyɔnko nkyankɔ a so wontwa nnuro sɛ wahu wobɛdam
ayɛ sɛ ɛno no across many waves on the social media spaces. It's a dream across Ghana nyinaa no amanfoɔ claim sɛ ɛyɛ Ken Ofori Atta what I say and for sure be able witness system no emu ayɛ dene economy no aflop down what I say bibia agye egu ekom ena di Ghana for eje nim so no okay but was ekɔ so nyinaa de ɛyɛ Akufo Addo ene na ban NPP ombetena so fie nwɔtwe ena de ohia wei abato Ghana for so eje sɛ do me ne da no ene Saturday Bulldog ego pie United Showbiz on UTV na okwade ne submission on this Ken Ofori Atta nsɛm no na Bulldog eka so ono no oni hwe ka na mum nyame nhyira NPP for so much destroy economy no ama Ghana for
if you share sena ya running Ghana no if I make my 5-year-old can run Ghana. Oh no, I'm telling you, because what we have done is to.
Are you being sarcastic?
No, I'm being actualistic. Because what we have done, what we have done is to borrow and spend.
What's actualistic?
The opposite of sarcastic.
Actualistic.
Yes. I support you.
What do you mean?
You know, so we cannot be borrowing and spending when there's no, we don't put in work. I said, I said, Empress, and then we may borrow no magic. We spending anyhow. You understand? We need to put in the work. Be able to. We have a lot here. The only natural resource leaders, especially the past one, they have a sense. What you say? Your BBI or gold, your magnesium or diamonds. You know all the natural resources. I drink, nipa drink into your new one in by a cent. So this is the time. Put it together, and I'm sure. Say you see. What we've seen in the past 8 years, we don't even want to see it for 3 weeks. So, Mrs. Takai say all these other diplomatic heads, embassies, bosses, fly economy. You know, what are we going? We're going to fly what? Business or first class to go and borrow money? Does it make sense to you?
To attend meetings that are really not necessary. Exactly. Sometimes they could do virtual.
Exactly. You see, I don't know if you are following what Trump is doing in America. Yes. You understand? And he's determined. And for me who say His Excellency John Dramani, similar Nyoma. We should have that leader who have the courage.
At a calmer level.
Yes. You know, to have the courage to be able to say, no matter what you do, this is what is good for us. Because, and then let me share your friend is saying Trump on the way down this guy, the genius, Elon Musk, yes. Or can be a Thomas Umpa who share judges. I think let me use the judges because not I don't know. He said, Judge, I appointed Mrs. a year. So, Oba Aban so a president, I want to invest some. Yes, anyway, I want to make this petition be an ABB. But here, Juma Pepe, I want to make something. But you campaigning, you campaigned on a promise. Now, Oba Aban promise now also be God's need fighting with our promise. And yes, you know that it is good for the people. So sometimes we do say, will they align with you so that you do what is best for the majority, because they are not the majority. I'm vote here, but they are not the majority. What is the so Sanyo Mano and all it made a lot of sense. So we should be looking in that direction, commending His Excellency John Dramani Mahama for doing what he's doing. What he has here. Again, and we need to see, there's something called full disclosure. We need to see everything. Into Omo 6 months, to say Mrs. Takan, say 100,000 Ghana, Omo Mayen, and he break down. Yes, yes, we deserve it.
Accountability.
Yes,
that's what accountability is.
What's every year be on
why not just ask can I'm wasting wine? Yeah, you know, and for me, I'm excited because you see, from now to whatever time, the average Ghanaian,
is working.
No, yeah, you near you know, thanks to NPP for all the mess they caused. Yes, I'm telling you, kasa anyhow. Mr. Bejinawa, you know, now they will say you can't say, and then me for Uber. Me for Uber, me almost see me bully me was so way so too much. Me bully me. Kasa pena mo see here na ma for advert.
You're the chief bully on the show.
Thank you.
You're the chief bully.
Have you been watching the essay?
No, I watched the show.
The whole show?
Yes, I did.
My sister.
You're the chief bully.
Only here we catch them. My best say my name. Only here the way answer nyame. Enshiramo, nyame, enshiramo. What I say? O compare, o bumper enshira. Akufo Addo Bawumia NPP for. Tima mo mine no atitia pansam. Eri amaye. Ubit patula wajune ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.